Okay, talk to the camera.
Hi.
Say, Merry Christmas, Nana, Pappy.
Merry Christmas, Nana, Pappy.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Say, Santa Claus is going to bring me a bunch of presents.
Santa Claus goes, bunch of presents.
Talk to him. Tell me you love him.
You get something when you get some presents. You get something when you get some presents.
Say it again.
Say it again.
How you spell Santa? Spell
S-I-N-T-A.
No. Spell Santa.
S-A-N-A-S.
Spell it.
S-A-N-T-A.
Good girl. You like school?
Bye.
You like school this year?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah, fun.
Are you having fun at school?
Yeah.
Okay. What else you been doing at school?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
No? You miss Nana?
Yeah.
Miss Pappy?
Yeah.
Tell everybody hope they're feeling better and better. And see you soon. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And love you.
Love you.
Bye.